HireLines is a recruitment platform that streamlines hiring by providing tools for screening test, coding test, video interview, and offer letters. This helps companies efficiently assess and engage with candidates. Sign up is for new users to register for the platform. Enter your business email. Enter your company name. Select the type of company. Click the Sign Up button. After successfully signing up, you will receive a confirmation email from HireLines. This is an email from HireLines containing your login details. This is the sign-in page. Your username and password are provided in the email you received from HireLines. Enter your email. Enter your password. Click the Sign In. This is job description page. First, I need to create the users. Creating the interviewer user. Interviewer name. Interviewer email. Interviewer password. Location. Select the role. Save all the details. Now go to the branding page. This branding page displays the default branding. I am updating my company colors and uploading the company logo. Save all the details. Now go to the email templates page. The emails shown here are all default emails. Here are the emails for registration, completion, pass, fail, schedule, offer letter, hold letter, and rejection letter. Email templates can be updated as needed, including the name, sender label, email subject, template heading, and email body. Attachments can also be added. Now let's move on to the job description page. Now create the new job description. Add the library. The library I have selected includes default sections for description, role, experience, and skill set, which are auto-filled. You can modify them if needed. After entering all the details, click the Create. This is the screening coding test and interview creation page. Now, I am creating the screening test. Enter the test name. Enter the promote percentage. Save all the details. These are all Python library screening test questions. Use this library. Here you can add two types of questions: static and dynamic. Static questions are the same for all candidates, while dynamic questions vary for each candidate. Once the questions are added, click the Save button to create your test. Creating the coding test. Enter the test name. Enter the promote percentage. Save all the details. These are all Python library coding test questions. Use this library. This library contains 3 coding questions. I am adding one static question. Once the questions are added, click the Save button to create your test. Now, I am creating the interview. Enter the interview name. Save all the details. These are all Python library interview questions. Use this library. I am adding all the questions. Once the questions are added, click the Save button to create your interview. Now, I am adding the interviewer. Select the interviewer. Now, publish the JD. Now integrating my careers page. This is an integration script. Copy and paste this script into the Python application form according to the provided instructions. This is my form. Paste it here based on the provided instructions. Copy and paste this into the Python application form according to the provided instructions. Now go to the application form. Enter the candidate full name. Enter the email. Enter the mobile number. Once all details are filled in, click Apply to submit. After successfully applying for the job, the candidate will receive a screening test registration email. This email contains the test details and the candidate's name. Click the Start Test button to proceed with the test. This is the candidate screening test. Click the Proceed button to continue the test. These are the candidate instructions. Click Proceed to start. This is a multiple choice question. Select an option and click the Next button to go to the next question. This is a yes or no type question. Select an option and click the Next button to go to the next question. This is a direct answer question. Enter your answer and click the Next button to proceed to the next question.
This is an audio response question. Click the mic to record your audio. Stop recording and upload it after finishing. Click the Next button to go to the next question. This is a video response question. Click the Rec button to record your video. Stop recording and upload it after finishing. Go to the next. The declaration will appear. Click the Finish button to successfully submit your test. The candidate will receive a completion email from HireLines. This is the completion email. Enter the credentials to sign in. Now, I am going to the evaluation page where the tests submitted by candidates are displayed. If the test includes multiple choice or yes/no type questions, it will be automatically evaluated, and the result will be sent via email. If the test includes audio, video, or direct answer questions, manual evaluation is required, and the result needs to be sent manually. I am now manually evaluating. After completing the evaluation, click the Send Result button to send the result. Once the result is successfully sent, the candidate will receive a result email. If the candidate's test score matches the promotion percentage, the next test email will be sent. The candidate will receive 2 emails, the screening test results and the coding test registration.
This email contains the test details and the candidate's name. Click the Start Test button to proceed with the test.
This is the candidate's coding test. Click the Proceed button to continue. These are the candidate instructions. Click Proceed to start. For the coding question, there is a preset area labeled Implement Your Code here, where you need to write your code. I am now writing my code in this section. After writing the code, click Run Test Cases. Go to the next. The declaration will appear. Click the Finish button to successfully submit your test. The candidate will receive a completion email from Hirelines. The candidate received 3 emails from Hireline, one for the coding test completion, one for the results, and one for the interview shortlist. This is the completion email. This is the coding test results email. And this is the shortlist email. These are the candidate's test registration details. The screening test, coding test, and interview status are displayed here. Now scheduling the candidate's interview. This is the scheduling page where you can select the interviewer. Below, you will see the available slots based on the interviewers. I am selecting the date and time for the candidate's interview. This is the scheduled date and time. Click Send Invite for the candidate to receive the interview link via email from Hireline. After the interview is successfully scheduled, the candidate's interview status will be updated, showing the scheduled date and time. The interview link email is received from Hirelines. To begin, sign in using the interviewer credentials. Once signed in, review the final list of interview candidates and select the interview you wish to conduct. Ensure that you grant the necessary permissions for video and audio recording. Click the Start button to begin the interview and wait for the candidate to join the session. During the interview, the interviewer can view details about the job description and candidate information, as well as any submitted screening or coding results. The questions asked by the interviewer should be categorized. Ask questions to the candidate and provide ratings based on their responses. The interviewer may also write remarks as needed. When the interview is complete, click the End Interview button to disconnect the candidate. Please wait while the recorded video is uploaded. It can also be downloaded to a local device. The interviewer should provide feedback, indicating whether to hire or not hire the candidate, along with any additional remarks. Click OK to confirm that the interview session is successfully completed. After completing the interviewer will be removed from the interview list. Now, go to the feedback page. This page contains the interview video and a section to provide a decision on hiring the candidate. Once you've reviewed the details, submit your feedback. Sign in using the HR admin credentials. Now, go to the candidate page and click on the candidate's details. Once the interview is completed, download the candidate report. This report includes the library name, screening test results, coding test results, interview responses, and interviewer feedback. Select the appropriate decision for the candidate, selected, on hold, or rejected. Send the notification. After sending, the candidate will receive an email with the decision update